So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to unpin messages from WhatsApp. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your WhatsApp, and you should have to tap on your first chat, which is pinned, and you can see the pinned icon on the right side of the screen. So just tap on it, and on the top bottom of your screen you can see the option of unpin, delete, mute, archive and many more. So you should have to tap on the first option, which is unpin. So tap on it. Now you can see the icon of chat unpinned. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.